Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have to put you through how you can post your video using your mobile phone without using computer, without using desktop or laptop. Direct from your phone, you can post it and do all the whole setting at the same time. So before we go in, please do not forget to like, share, comment, also drop your opinion on this video and tell me the part that I have to explain better. So guys, let's dive into the video. Guys, so here we go. So right now I have to go to my Chrome on my phone. Then going to my Chrome, I'll click on my Chrome. Then clicking on my Chrome, if you find your Chrome like this, it's loading. If you find your Chrome like this, know you are the right part. So but if you do not find your Chrome like this, you have to click on this three dot that is in your right side, top side. You click it. When you click it, you scroll up, you see desktop site. You see the desktop site. So you have to enable the desktop. Like right now, look at it. Do you see what you see? Because I have cancelled it, so I'll have to on it back. I'll click it back, then I'll click on. You have changed back to the desktop version. So now if I want to post, I have to click on this create. Then do you see upload videos? I'll now click it. Then I will click select file. Then you know where you keep your video in. Touch there. Then now the video that I want to post, make sure you first of all rename the video exactly title that you want to use, so that you will not just show a link. You will show the so that when you show the title from there, so that the YouTube will understand it and to help you to push the video to the direct audience. So you click on the video. Here is the video. Look at it. It's loading. Look at it. Exactly the way you see it in computer, you will see it here. I'm using my mobile phone. As you can see, it's my mobile phone. So the second thing that you have to know, do you see here is writing here? Is writing uploading video. See, even though you do all the whole settings here, then this video is not have not come up. Then you click upload. This video will not upload. It will just be loading for a long time. It may not come up. But when you wait for this video to upload here, you see the video here, then you are in the right part. So now you have seen your title. You have to put your description. After putting your description, if you want to do title test, thumbnail test, you upload the thumbnail that you want. You upload all the title that you need. So the thing will be choosing the title that will make it to rank, and the title that people are seeing most. Then YouTube will put that title there, keep on pushing it. The second one you have to know, make sure you put it's not made for kids. Don't put it on this yes, say no. Then you have to click more, show more. Then you click there, you scroll up. Do you see this place is AI tools? Do you use any AI tools or any disappearing? You do anything on some effects you use? If you not use any of those things, say no. Then I'm not uploading this video, I'm just doing it for education purpose. Then next one is this your language. If you want to add more languages that you want, then you see this tag, you can add tag. Then do you see all the necessary settings? Then you see this category. So what's your video made for? Is it for education? Is it for political tools? Is it for gaming? Whatever thing your video made for, you choose it here. Comedy, whatever, sports, traveling, events, anyone. So after you have chosen this, let's just choose random stuff. Then you click the next one. You see this one, the first one, the details have marked good, so it means you're good to go. Then you set up your end screen and your card. So you set up all those ones. So let's just do the random stuff here. We are not using this video, so I'll have to choose the place that I want this video to show that thing. I now choose the video that I want. I click, is it a playlist or video? Let's just say video. I now choose a playlist. I now choose this one. Then I have to click save. If I want to add more, I will add, but right now let's go to the next one. Click next. So I have my good. So here is checking if your video have a copyright. Bear it in mind, if you use any copyright something, it will check. That's why they told you to use, if you use this one will check if your video have a copyright. But if you use your Android phone to post it direct from Android version, it will not check it. If you post and you have a copyright, it may affect your channel. So but this one will check if you have a copyright. Then if not, you are good. So now let's go to the second one. So here is for you to add a time you want this video to come live. So you know when your audience is available to watch this video, you set it here. So now don't post using public, use private or schedule it. Don't use public for now. So that because this video have not properly checked by YouTube, they are checking it. So they are checking it from starting to ending to check if any copyright. They find any copyright, then they will let you know. So now you do you see publish? Don't publish it, put it on private. So you click save. This is it, you have saved. So you can copy the link or you just press cancel. This video have saved, but here you have the more opportunity to do any setup that you want. You can set up your thumbnail, your description, whatever thing. So you can go to your normal this thing. Now let's go to YouTube Studio. There is YouTube Studio. So now let's switch to the account that we're using, this account. So now this video is not here. This video is not here. So what you will do, you click on this content, then you see the video, how to create a channel, how to create a WhatsApp channel. Look at it, it's uploading. You see it. So now if I want to delete this video, I can delete it. So now I can do any setting that I want. Click on the edit. Now I can do anything, add description, then I can also add my thumbnail if I want to add. If I don't want to add, I'll leave it. Then I can add my tag, that tag that I did not add, then I can add it here. Look at it, you add your tag, whatever tag you want, you add it. Then don't add plenty tag, go add tag that link to what you are doing, the video you are explaining for the people. Add the exact tag. Then now after you edit it, you can click switch, then you are good to go. After editing, you are good to go. You see it, you are good to go. Then this video will come live. Then if you want to publish it once, you can publish it. Look at it here, they say pending. You can put it here if you want and you save, but right now we are not saving it. This is simple. You get more view. Post the right way, you get more view. Don't post a random, don't post randomly. Now you are watch it, please like and share, subscribe. Like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.